Jasmy coin holders, today we've got a time sensitive and urgent video for the Jasmy coin price, because right now we find the Jasmy coin price once again trading at a key level inside the daily time frame shorts, and this level right here could determine our future price action in the immediate short term. And that is why this is a very important video, and we're going to be talking about the recent price action and also discuss what we could expect next for the Jasmy coin price. So as usual, we are starting off inside the daily time frame shorts, and then later on in the video we'll move to the longer time frames to discuss my long-term outlook. But here we are in the daily time frame shorts, and right now I want to once again reiterate and inform to you guys that the Jasmy coin price has retraced back down towards a very key level of support right here, because historically this green zone right here has been acting as a major resistance, and we have had multiple rejection points at this exact level historically. So right now, for the past couple of days, the Jasmy coin price has perfectly retraced back down to this exact level right here. And right now we are seeing the Jasmy coin price react strongly towards this level by having a nice bounce towards the upside. So it is very clear that from the recent price action, from this recent bounce right here, it is clear that this level is indeed supporting the price, and the bulls are trying to take over at this exact level. So yeah, the only expectation we have right now is that it's going to be very important for Jasmy coin to hold this level at all costs, because like I've said previously, a break below this support zone could end up pretty badly and could be dangerous for the Jasmy coin price, because essentially a break below this level is going to flip this support zone back to major resistance. So if we do ever have again a break below this level and a recovery, this level could most likely reject the price, and we could continue to move towards the downside towards the next major support zone or support level at around 0.0167 cents, which is about another 25% dump towards the downside. So that's why I'm saying that right now the Jasmy coin price is at a very key level of support, and this level could be the determining factor of our immediate future price action for Jasmy coin. Because again, like I've said, a break below this level is dangerous. We could have some bearish price action in the short term, but if we do successfully hold this level as support, that could lead to a more bullish price action in the short term for Jasmy coin. So keep your eyes on the charts right now, because we are at a very critical level right now, and we are at a decision point. So right now though, we've got a couple of great news. One is that the MACD is about to have a bullish cross inside the daily time frame shorts. So usually whenever we do have a bullish cross in the MACD, it has usually resulted into bullish price actions in the short term. And right now, if we do take a look at the RSI as well, we are currently trading at optimal levels for the RSI. So things are starting to look good for Jasmy coin, and indicators are starting to flip bullish one by one. So this is again indicative that we could expect a more bullish price action in the short term, and we could expect a relief rally in the short term. But that's pretty much it. Now let us talk about the longer time frames and discuss what we're expecting in the long term. So also, a quick word from today's sponsor, Cryptonomy. Now, while the market continues to crash towards the downside, many people have started to panic even more. But what people are not realizing is that this market crash is simply giving us another opportunity to load up even more on our high conviction altcoins for this cycle at a much cheaper price and go against the herd. While everyone's fearful, that is the time to be greedy. And if you are an investor looking to increase and accumulate your crypto positions, you'll be able to do that on Cryptonomy, because the Cryptonomy platform offers various services such as staking, which would over time give you passive income. Aside from staking altcoins, you even have the option to stake stable coins, which is also a preferable option for some people. You will also be able to earn more on Cryptonomy's flagship product, which is the Launchpool. As you guys can see, we have some insane statistics right over here. So now we will be creating a new fixed deposit on USDT and also on ICP. So to create one, just click deposit, and then we're going for 6 months, and then continue and create. And now we'll be creating one for ICP as well. We're going for 6 months and then continue. and it has been created. So, and now we'll be creating a launch pool contract on Bitcoin by clicking on create contract, go max, and we're going for bronze. So continue and create, and the request has been sent, and that's that. Right now, the crypto market is still in a correction, and personally, the best time to accumulate your crypto positions is during a market low at a time like this, instead of buying crypto once it has reached the top. To avoid losing money and making common mistakes inexperienced traders do, one of the best solutions is to instead take advantage of Cryptonomy's interest account services. Now let's move back to the video. Right now, if we're taking a look at the longer time frame charts, the structure for Jasmy coin actually still looks perfectly intact because we are still consecutively forming higher highs and higher lows, as reflected by this one right here. So right now, all I have to say is that we have retraced back down to a key level of support, or a key level right here, which is the previous swing high, and a bounce off of this level is going to be very, very important right now, because if we do fail to have a bounce off of this level, that could lead to a more bearish price action in the future, and we could be breaking the bullish structure. So to keep the bullish structure intact, we must have a bounce at this level right now, and we must hold this level at all costs to maintain bullishness and maintain the bullish structure, so that overall, we're still going to be looking good in the longer time frames. So right now, though, if you guys are wondering about my targets for Jasmy coin in this cycle, we are still expecting a 0.5 cents Jasmy coin to $1 Jasmy coin in this cycle, and that will place Jasmy coin at around a $20 billion market cap, which is about a 10x ROI from the price we're at right now. So in the long term, there is nothing that particularly concerns me, because again, like I've said, the structure still looks intact, and we have been respecting key levels for the past couple of months. The only time I would be concerned for the Jasmy coin price in the long term is if we do see Jasmy coin break below the recent swing low right here, because if we do that one, things are going to look bad for the overall structure, and essentially this would look like we are starting to form a reversal pattern or a reversal structure towards the downside. So that is why I'm emphasizing it's going to be very important for Jasmy coin to find support at any of these levels right here to maintain bullishness and to maintain the overall structure in the long term, because again, a break below the recent swing low in the long term could end up pretty badly for Jasmy coin. So if you're still wondering about my current game plan, I personally think that Bitcoin is still in the middle of its cycle, and I believe that there's still more room for growth to come for crypto, and most especially for the entire altcoin market. I still think we are early for altcoins, and I'm not getting shaken out right here, because what I'm seeing right here for the current dip is that this is just another massive shakeout to shake out the weak hands, and I believe that in the next couple of months we're going to be seeing a swift recovery. If the structure still remains intact, we're going to be seeing a swift recovery in my opinion, and that is why I'm not selling my positions right now. If you do take a look at the Bitcoin price in the long term, you can see that dips are just a normal part of the game. We do have a nice rally towards the upside, a sharp dip, a nice rally, then a dip again, and then a rally, and right now we are inside a massive dip, and I just see this as another buying opportunity to stack up and load up on our high conviction altcoin positions. Not financial advice, but that's what I think where we're at this cycle right now. I think that this is not yet the top, but I could be wrong. But I just see this as another opportunity to load up even more on our high conviction altcoin plays. And there is nothing that worries me in the long term, because I've been here the last cycle and I've seen similar things to these right now. So if you guys are looking for a community or a group of like-minded individuals who are seeking success in this market, be sure to join my private networking group over on Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you are not in this group yet, you are missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description and act now.